Have you ever encountered a problem where you needed to extract image file extensions from image URLs, but the method you were using didn't work as expected? Well, fret not, because today we have an interesting problem to tackle in the world of Python programming. The problem at hand involves accurately extracting image file extensions from URLs, specifically when dealing with URLs that contain additional parameters after the file extension. This inconsistency in the approach can lead to unexpected results, making it a challenging task to handle. Now let's delve into the solution that can help us overcome this hurdle. The key to resolving this issue lies in utilizing the URL parse function from the urllib.parse module in Python. By parsing the URL, we can effectively extract the image file extension from even the most complex URLs. The provided solution showcases how to use URL parse to break down the URL and extract the desired extension. This method ensures that we can accurately pinpoint the image file extension regardless of any additional parameters present in the URL. By following this approach, we can retrieve the extension with precision, leading to a more robust and reliable solution. Building upon the previous explanation, let's further explore how the solution works in practice. By applying the URL parse function to the given URL, we can break down the URL into its components and isolate the path containing the image file. This parsed URL path is then manipulated to extract the image file extension using a simple string operation. The extracted extension is then displayed, showcasing the successful extraction process. This efficient method eliminates the complexities associated with handling URLs containing extra parameters, ensuring a streamlined and accurate retrieval of image file extensions. In conclusion, we have successfully addressed the initial problem of extracting image file extensions from URLs by leveraging the URL parse function in Python. This solution not only resolves the issue at hand, but also provides a robust and efficient way to handle similar challenges in the future. By understanding how to parse URLs effectively, we can extract valuable information with ease and precision. So next time you encounter a similar hurdle, remember to rely on the power of URL parse for a seamless solution. And with that, we wrap up our exploration of this intriguing problem. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your support means the world to us.